Tension pole gap storage turns thin vertical gaps between appliances and walls into high-value storage without remodeling. Start by measuring the gap height and depth, and choose an adjustable tension pole rated for the ceiling height plus at least 2 inches for safe compression. Pick a pole with non-marring end caps and a threaded tension mechanism so you can fine-tune pressure. Use rotating baskets that clip onto a central pole to maximize access and keep heavier items lower to maintain stability. For spice storage, consider a screw-mounted spice pole that fixes to floor and ceiling using a small threaded plate for permanent stability in heavy-use kitchens. Magnetic attachments work well on poles positioned near metal surfaces. Place neodymium magnets inside silicone sleeves to protect finishes and keep spice containers or metal tools accessible. Slim sliding shelving units are another option, designed to be pushed into a gap and expanded slightly to press against adjacent surfaces so the shelving does not shift when you pull items out. Add mounted hooks to the pole for towels, aprons, or lightweight pans and distribute weight symmetrically so the pole remains plumb and rotation mechanisms move smoothly. Common mistakes start with undersizing the pole for the gap, which causes wobble. Always measure twice and choose a pole with a wider adjustment range. People overload upper baskets and create a top-heavy condition that leans or slips, place heavier items on lower shelves, and use basket clips to secure loads. Another issue is relying on adhesive or weak magnets in humid areas which fail over time. Use mechanical attachments like screws or strong-coated magnets and check mounts monthly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who work on small retrofit storage projects and tension pole installations. And it helps contractors find work by listing their services and connecting them with nearby jobs. We also host a discussion community where our users share installation tips, product links, and before and after photos to make planning and executing gap storage easy.